Hi, baby.
Hi.
What the hell is that?
What's what?
That in the seat?
It's not a cold air intake for my car,
You said if we got the car, you weren't gonna buy any more shit.
baby.
I don't give a shit.
I can't return it.
Go return it.
Can't. Baby. Good morning, guys. So today we are going to install my. Shit. Today we're going to install my short ram intake. So this is the first mod to my car, the intake. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I got this right there. I don't know how to flip it back. Engine, short ram. So I'm gonna get to installing, guys. So yep. Hey guys, I just want to let you know this install right here, the short ram intake. Complications. How hard is it? It was probably 1 being least hard, 5 being the hardest. It's probably a 2. It was just missing a couple of parts. I did get off of OfferUp, so it's not that bad. So, you know, I just had to get a couple of things back at my local store. O'Reilly's. So, yeah, guys, it was pretty easy. It looks like right here, the box, the intake box. This right here was kind of hard because it has a little thing right here where it bucks on. So I was like, what the heck? What's holding on to it? So that was it. So I had to pull it. Right here too. This extension didn't work. So I didn't have the right tools. I had to ask my neighbors for the extension. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going to get for Father's Day. I'm buy myself a new tool set. But yeah. Okay, right here, I didn't notice there was cooling still inside the tube. So I kind of get cooling on me. I was like, oh man. Kind of scared me a little bit. I was like, oh. So I'm almost done. I just need to put this on. The bushing that goes right here. I'm gonna see it right there. And then I just need to get the tube where the coolant used to be and disconnect it, and that's it. So I'm almost done. Feels good, guys. You know, doing your own mods and stuff. Putting it on. I bought this connector right here. This would where the coolant goes right here, but since I rerouted it right here, the new coolant line, this is just to cap it off so no air will go in, so the check engine light won't go on. So I'm just gonna do put a little hose right here, and that's the final step, guys. All right, let's start her up. So again, like a few minutes to let it read. So if any check engine lights or anything comes on, so I'm just gonna wait right now. Guys, always check over your work. Make sure you got all the bolts and screws. Nothing's loose. You know, you always want to make sure that everything you did is good, and you don't want to take off, because if you take off, you know, you could lose bolts or something. So just make sure you have everything tightened and everything's there. Only cost me $100. So I was lucky to get this because these are like $300. I think these are the short round. I'm not sure. I think it's a cold or short round. It doesn't say on the box. So I've been sitting here for 15 minutes already, and it hasn't been leaking, no leaks. So that's what you want to do. You guys want to make sure it doesn't leak or anything. Because if it starts leaking, that means you guys got a problem. It's not leaking. It has, let's see, no check engine light. So I'll let you guys hear how it sounds. Andrew, come here.
You gotta show me?
Yeah, I'll show you. Sit right here. Okay. So you can hear it. You ready?
Yeah.
Tell me if it sounds different, okay?
Okay.
All right, guys. this is gonna be the first test run of it. See how it sounds, see if you guys like it, see you know how it is. So I'm gonna do it on R plus, turn off traction control. Oh yeah, you can hear that. You can hear it big time. It sounds really good, not gonna lie. I think I did a good investment for the car. It sounds clean. You can hear the wind up and everything before you can hear it. Just on that, it changes a lot. Look at that. Then I want to get the exhaust. Then I want to get the intercooler. Then I want to get the lip kit. There's a lot I want to do to this car. Like, it's not a lot, but it's gonna be a lot of money. But you know, if I save up and just be determined and everything, it can get done, guys. So I'm very satisfied with it. Good intake, you can hear it. No check engine light, nothing. So yeah, guys. Only took me 2 hours to install, and I found offer up. So you know, it's not that bad. It wasn't badly used. He only used it 200 miles. It looked pretty much brand new when I saw it. No scuffles on there or anything. He was just missing a couple parts, but I got it at Home Depot. You know, you can buy it, but $100. When you buy a new one, it's $300. This one's pretty much barely used, and I got it for $100. That's a good deal. So all right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching.